So right now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over how to create holes. So in your design, let's say in your bridge design, you want to make a hole. We're going to review that right now. And a hole would be like this example right here. So you see how this has a hole in the tool and the other side doesn't. We're going to learn how to make a hole. So when you're making a hole, you want to kind of decide what shape the hole should be in. So in this case, we're going to try it out with a polygon. So we'll go ahead and look through here, and I'm going to choose one. I'm going to choose this one. And this gives me a little template because this is me. It's showing, TinkerCAD is showing me how to do it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up. Yours won't have it because we're practicing in this video, but I'm going to line it up to where I want my hole to be. So now I have my polygon in here, the blue one, and I'm going to zoom in so it's easier to work with. Let's see, let's move it around. Okay, so I might want it here. To cut a hole out on the top part of the circle. And you see when you click on it, when you're not clicking on it, you don't see this little pop-up, but when you do click on your shape, you should see the option of having it solid or a hole. And so if you click a hole, then it creates a hole in your tool. So we're going to the next step. You should have your polygon in your tool and you've clicked the hole option. So now we need to group the materials. So we need to group this shape and this shape to make sure they're all together, all one shape. So to click on both shapes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my polygon first, and then I'm going to hold down the shift key and then click on the metal tool. And let me undo that, what I just did. So I'm going to do it one more time. I'll click these hints so you can see them. So I'm going to click on my polygon and I'm clicking the shift key and then I'm clicking the shift key on my keyboard and then I'm clicking on the tool. And to group things, it's this image. So you can click this or you can put in your keyboard Control G. There we go. So now it's all highlighted in red, which means that we combine these two shapes.